Give our viewers back home a bigger picture, because Chinese investment in Africa has been booming in recent years, as we said, with trade seeing a tenfold increase in less than 10 years. The Chinese Foreign Ministry played host to a forum on Monday to discuss Chinese investments in Africa, just ahead of the 5th BRICS Summit to be held in Durban, South Africa this month. Here's the reports.
More and more Chinese companies are coming to invest in Africa, a continent growing in popularity among those looking for the next big thing.
China and Africa are good friends, good brothers, and good partners. China has actively supported African countries in developing their infrastructure and economy. China will speed up investment in Africa. China's new president, Xi Jinping, will attend the BRICS 5th Leaders Summit in South Africa. The visit by the new president will give impetus to the strengthening cooperation between China and African countries.
China has been Africa's largest trading partner since 2009, surpassing the United States and Europe. Official figures show that in 2011, China-Africa trade reached a record high of more than $160 billion, up 28% from the previous year, and it's estimated to have surpassed $200 billion in 2012. Moreover, as of 2011, China's direct investment in Africa reached almost $15 billion, with more than 2,000 Chinese companies currently investing in Africa. Meanwhile, African countries are working with China in hopes of learning from China about developing agriculture, manufacturing, science and technology sectors, while building up infrastructure and human resources, as well as addressing major regional and international issues.
Over the years, the relations between Tanzania and China has transcended the traditional government-to-government contacts and has extended to people-to-people cooperation. More and more Tanzania business persons are now trading in China, and more Chinese entrepreneurs are making very huge investments in Tanzania.
The investment environment in Africa continues to look bright for Chinese investors. But China's Vice Foreign Minister says there's still room to improve.
With more and more Chinese entrepreneurs going to Africa, we see the quantity is growing, but quality is not catching up. We see huge room for Chinese enterprises to increase their international management ability and to create a better business environment for both China and Africa.
China and African countries maintained good trade momentums last year against the backdrop of a slow recovery of the global economy and the difficulties caused by the European debt crisis. Experts say it is important for China and Africa to further expand their economic relationship within the new political realities and achieve healthy and sustainable development. CCTV, Beijing.